Key fobs are an art, let's not kid ourselves. There's like a million different key fobs out there and some are extremely bizarre, but today I want to take a look at this Valet key fob I found in the basement of my local thrift store. For some reason there was a plastic bin full of keys on the floor and I was digging through it, as one will, and I found this Valet branded key fob. I ended up buying several random key fobs for $10. There's a whole world of aftermarket key fobs that nobody's talking about. This is the Valet Easy SDEI 474P 4-button key fob. Let's check it out. No car brand, no metal key blade, LED glows if you press buttons. It unlocks nothing. I'm excited already. The aux button could be programmed to different actions such as popping the trunk or starting the engine. The big yellow button in the center defaults to panic mode for most modules, but could also be programmed if you so desire. What's a module? Well, let's get into that. If you're unfamiliar with aftermarket key fobs, wow, I pity the boring existence you must lead. These specific key fobs could be programmed to a car using a module sold by any company that was a subsidiary of Directed Electronics Incorporated, or DEI for short. Woke. Not even your key fobs are safe from the woke mind virus. Viper was DEI's flagship brand, but they also owned Python, Clifford, and A-Vital. And of course, Valet. The module would typically be installed underneath the dashboard and had a program button on it. By researching its FCC ID, we can get all the info we need about it. This fob in particular was made by Valet, which, as I mentioned less than 20 seconds ago, is a subsidiary of DEI. Though in recent years, the company seems to be slowly fading out the brand. The aftermarket key fob industry has definitely become less prominent in recent years. But even back in 2005, when this fob came out, Viper and several other of Valet's sister brands were selling almost identical key fobs with the same model numbers. There's just so much key fob lore you wouldn't expect. I unironically find this key fob lore more interesting than Star Wars lore. Valet made 3 main types of fobs: a 2-button, a very uncommon 3-button, and a 4-button like mine. You can still pick one of these up on eBay if there's something wrong with you. Just remember, you'll need a compatible module. If you're mentally ill, this would make the perfect Christmas gift. I feel like aftermarket key fobs is one of those societal judgment things, like a kid wearing a brand of sneakers you've never heard of. Directed Electronics Incorporated is still around, but they don't seem as cool as they used to be. Nobody talks about these anymore because nobody fucking cares about them. In fact, nobody ever talked or cared about them to begin with. Just remember, when this platform corrodes with AI, who it was that fed your subscription tab a video about a key fob from 2005. I'm Bearman, and I've been wasting your time, and that's never been more true. Thanks for watching.